Hey guys, good morning. Hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to talk about supply and demand. So this strategy is very good for swing traders who wanted to take a position and hold it for a week or a month or something. Okay. So let's see what is demand and what is supply. So if you look at this green candle, there is a wick here, right? What does it the wick mean? Price came down to this level and quickly got rejected and gone up. Okay, because there is a demand, there are buyers. The same way here also, right? Even though it's a down candle, red candle, price came here and started to go up. The same way supply, this wick means that whenever price hits this zone, supply zone, sellers started to take a position, they push the price down. Same here also, right? So the larger the wick, and I think the larger the pressure is. Okay, so let's see how we can use these levels for a swing trading. So this is TCS. You have to take a monthly chart first. Okay, look at this monthly chart. So the larger the wick, right, it's better we choose that stock. So let's see, we have a decent wick here, and this is the month of September 2019. Okay, so let's mark it out. So here and then here, so this is my demand zone for September month. Okay, so this is a trade you have to take at least first week of every month. Okay, within the month beginning, right, within 2 to 3 days you should be able to take this trade, and just forget it, entire month it will run, so you don't have to disturb anything. Just leave it. I mean 80% of the time, right, it will work, it will not come back. But the thumb rule is it should be a red candle, previous month should be a red candle, I mean downtrend, and that should be a wick like this. Okay, the down wick. So choose that kind of a stock. So I took it for September, for example September 19. Now see what happened to October 19. I'm going to the 1 hour candle, sorry, 1 day candle, and move to 19, right, 19 October. See what happened in 19 October. First it came here. Okay, so 1 2 3 days it came here, it tried to probe and quickly got rejected and entered here. Okay, so you should have taken the trade up here when 14th, then you can write the entire trend. One of the best way to do this is go for a Fibonacci. It will tell you what is going on. Okay, when you get in this zone, right, demand zone, if you get a green candle, take a position and write the entire trend. That's it. So the entire month you don't have to do anything, it will go up and it will work for almost 90%, it will work. Okay, so I'll show you another example also. Let's move to the normal candle and clear off this. So always choose the blue chip stocks, don't go for any mid cap or small cap. I never tried, so go for a stronger stock like TCS, HDFC Bank, Reliance and all. Let's move on to the month. Let's see if we can get something. For example, this is basically a consolidation phase. Okay, see the downtrend, no, it happened in March, how quickly it rejected. If the March there was a severe downtrend, right, so let's mark those levels. And you have to look at your Nifty also. Okay, so that will help you and that will give you the idea where the trend is. Okay, so we'll see what happened in the April. So I marked the demand zone for the month of March. So I wanted to look at April, whether I can have any trade opportunity. Okay, so let's go to Fibonacci and see what happened in the April. So April it first started with the red candle, it is in this zone. Okay, so but this is a very good candle. If you look at, right, it's not like a doji and all, it's a very good green candle. Okay, so I would have taken the trade right away April 17th itself, or you can wait for some kind of a pullback like this and take a trade and ride it. Okay, so let's see if we can get some other example. For example, we can go for HDFC Bank or go for Reliance. pick up 4 to 5 stocks. Okay, so observe them, so you will have a better idea. Go for a monthly chart. Sorry, go for a candle. Okay, so this month, the same pattern had happened. So I think most of the guys made decent money. Okay, so this is actually a failure trade if you look at. Okay, so it is one of the failure trade. Here wick is not there, so where we got a nice wick, I think 19th, in the year of 19th, we don't have any trade opportunity. We have something like this, but it's not worth take a trade, right? If you put the Heikin-Ashi, you will see everything red here. Okay, so let's move to another stock. Any Infi. This is for monthly traders. Just first you will take a trade and just forget it. Okay, so whatever happens, whatever profit you get it at the end of the month, you just exit it. So you have to put a stop loss in the below zone, in the down zone of the demand. So is there any way we can take up any trade here? No, for Infi, no. I think let's move on to Kotak. So every month you have to do this exercise, have 4 to 5 stocks and have it rigorously checking out. Okay, I think there was a nice trade here and here. Okay, so let's see what happened here and then we'll come back to this. And this is for August 19th, right? The wick is very small actually. I usually don't prefer a smaller wick, but let's see if it works. September 19th we have to look at. This is because your risk reward is very high, so very small stop loss you will have, but mostly it will go up. See what happened in the month of September. Let's move to Heikin-Ashi. So it tested, see this wicks means that price rejection, it's not able to go down, and finally one doji form and there is a decisive candle here. I would have taken here or somewhere else here, and I put my stop loss here and it gone up. Okay, the only thing you need to spend some time every month, maybe 1 hour. If you scan through all your favorite stocks, you will get some kind of a pattern like this, and that will help you to write the entire month trend. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, so we'll meet soon. Consult with your financial advisor before taking any position. Thank you.